chart infographic slides. This is the main comp, and by selecting the blue color layer, you have access to all color controls. This includes text color number 1 to text color number 4, shapes color 1, shapes color 2, background color, and 12 infographic colors. Let's see how you can customize one of these slides. All the slides are divided in categories, including bar, horizontal, vertical, circle, curved, donut, line, misc, pie, and semicircle. These are the horizontal slides. Let's grab one of these. Here you have some color controls, including the scale, the number size, whether you have extra decimals here, value 1 and value 2. Of course, you have access to the bar width, bar roundness, and the opacity for the background here. To edit the text, you have the main title here in the green color layer and the secondary title here. To edit the chart, you double-click this sandstone layer and edit the text here. The structure is identical to all charts. So, when you have a chart, let's say this, a dual horizontal chart with 6 bars each, again, you have the blue color for the values, for the number size, and the scale. You have the roundness, the background line opacity, and in order to edit, you double-click again this sandstone layer and place your own text here. Let's see another example. Here you have some vertical bars. Again, you select the blue color layer and edit the values and the line width, the scale. And in this case, you have a placeholder here in a red color layer. And in case you need to have a picture behind, you place your image, your video behind the graphics, placing it here inside this placeholder layer. Again, you have the sandstone layer to edit the texts. Let's see another example. Let's grab these circles here. Again, you have the blue color layer for the values and some basic scale and the line width, the circle line width here. And in order to edit the text inside, you double click this sandstone layer. In this case, we have some pre-composed values A and values B. Again, you have some donut charts here where the structure again is identical. Here the counters. In order to edit, you double click this sandstone layer and again you go to A and B pre-comps. So I hope you enjoy this template and make great charts. Thanks for watching.